Good morning. So, if you didn't watch yesterday's episode, go back and see the amazing trail magic I got from David and his wife. Amazing. So, I am, if you didn't know, at the Holiday Inn Express, my favorite. And I'm taking a 0 day because I have to figure out some food and what I'm going to do in the Shenandoah. And right now, I'm going to go downstairs and get breakfast. So here is breakfast. And it's like you go down and there's a little menu. And you fill out what you want. You check off or circle. And the lady goes and prepares it for you. And then hands it to you on a tray. So it's very fancy, very nice. So I peeled the biscuit off of both sandwiches and this is what I got. Guess what time it is? Okay, today is wash day. So I have all the things that I wear on the bed here, and there's been some changes, and so I just wanted to go over them with you. I really look for this in other people's videos. I want to see how their gear changes over their hike, and so I am doing that for y'all now because it was really important to me when I was looking at videos. To start with, I have a synthetic puffy from REI. I love that coat. And I love that it's synthetic and I can throw it in the wash. Because if I didn't, it would stink so bad. I've got my fleece reactor there. It's been mouse shoed. Oh, there it is, right there. Mouse shoed from a shelter. I don't know exactly when it happened, but yeah, that's mouse shoeing. I have my buff that I sleep in that has fleece on it. I have 2 lighter buffs you see me wear during the day. My mask that my mother-in-law made that I love. My Nike running shorts that are probably 3 sizes too big. I'm sporting this Sims. It's a Sims fishing shirt. I really like it because it has these like stretchy bits to it on the shirt. They're very wicking and very cool, and right now it's working great. This is my bandana that goes in my cook kit. These are my new, they're I think Yogalicious. I got them at TJ Russ. They're bike length, almost knee length yoga pants with pockets on both sides. These are LuLaRoe leggings, very soft. I cut them off just below the knees, mostly to sleep in, so my legs don't stick together at night. Because think about it, you're sleeping under a quilt or under a blanket that's made with synthetic material, you know, the outside nylon, on a blow-up pad that's a big plastic balloon, and everything's sticky. And so that's for sleeping mostly. Then I have my gaiters. People have asked about the gaiters that I'm using. I'm using Ultra gaiters. I took some Gorilla Glue and some Velcro and put a little thing of Velcro to the heel of the shoe, and I just stick this part underneath the lace. Then I have this REI women's shirt. It's very soft, synthetic. I sleep in it. Then this is new. I got this before my hike, but it was too small. It's a North Face fleece. Very nice with a kangaroo pocket in the front. I like it. these I got in Daleville. They're Patagonia 3D. They're half merino wool, half capilene. And they're kind of like fishnetty. I sleep in these too. So the other night when it was really cold, I did the leggings and the Patagonia pants, and I was warm. And then a couple pairs of ex officio underwear that are getting too big. I have this Under Armour t-shirt, my bra, my P-rag, a new snot towel from Norwexverse. The only thing with carrying one of those like this microfiber is that microfiber is a magnet for leaves. It's like Velcro to leaves. So you're gonna make sure you keep it up out of the leaves in the ground. Then I have these darn tufts to sleep in. I have 3 liners because I go through liners so fast. They're in gingy. These are crew length liners. These are short liners. These are crew length. And then I have these socks I've been wearing. They're Bridgedale socks. They're very thin. They're made out of merino wool, and Bridgedale also has a guarantee like darn tough. I wish Injinji did, because I go through them. Anyway, so that is all the wash on wash day. So you know, now I'm probably carrying too many clothes. But please remember that we're kind of in a shoulder season here. You know, it's May. I'm heading into the Shenandoah. So, and it's cold. It's going to be down into the low 40s this week. And I have a 40-degree quilt. So I have chosen to carry that 40-degree quilt and be able to layer in clothing to keep myself warm at night. So that's my clothes. Okay, here is what's in my front pack. They're the Z packs. So I have glasses, sunglasses, and my thermometer. And I have my mask and my wallet. This is Prem sunblock. It's from South Korea. It's very, very good stuff. And I have Tylenol. Can you guess that? And then I have these. I love these for bug spray. This one's almost empty. I got this one. You can get them at Walmart. They're very light and they last a while. And I have some hand sanitizer and my lip balm and my glasses. This has turned out to be the best case for my glasses because I lost it quite a while ago. And my glasses don't get scratched or anything. And this is the necklace Josie made for me. I wear it sometimes. I take it off when I'm going to take a shower because I can. The one that I have on, I can't take off. It's too small and my head's still swollen from the fall I took. So I have my headphones that I rarely use, but I'm going to use more. I have this stand for my phone, which I'm going to do more stuff where I set my phone up and film. And I switched it out for a selfie stick. I've had this for a while, but it's very light and it stays in my pack. I have my pepper spray for unwanted visitors. I have a pen, I said that. I have a piece of paper where I have been like figuring things out. This is my Shenandoah plan that has to be revised. I use this all the time. Swiss Army knife with the clippers. Aquaphor. Everyone needs Aquaphor for everything. Spare lighter because One time I got my other lighter wet and I couldn't start and cook some food, so I carry a spare one where it's dry, my neck knife, and some tissues. That's what's in my front pack, and my snacks. So usually it's a Snickers bar in the morning and something in the afternoon, but the snacks usually go in my pack as well. Okay, so this is my Dolly Bag. I don't remember where I got this from, but I love that bag. It's heavy. I mean, not heavy, but it's beefy and can hold the stuff. This is what goes in it: deodorant, eye mask, inhaler that I have not used, and my mattress pump that I use all the time, my trimmer, some Gold Bond, my measuring tape, which I should take my measurements. I have a full roll of Luco tape because foot issues. Even though it's heavy. I have my repair kit. There's some Dyneema strips in here, some Gear Aid. I need to get some more tenacious tape or something to line the bottom of my pack with. And this is my first aid kit. So there's Aqua Tabs, a Sudafed, a Band-Aid, some gauze, some antiseptic wipes, a needle, pretty much that's it. And this is the new thing. I have a Frog Tog cooling towel that you wear around your neck. And so I have that for the summer for when it gets hot, because I got so hot earlier, and I'm from Alaska, and I'm not used to that heat, and I'm wondering how I'm going to handle it. So hopefully that'll be good. I'll try that. So that's what's in my Dolly Bag. Okay, this is my toiletry bag, I guess you could call it. I've got some extra tissues. I've got some magnesium. I've got medication, more medication, more medication. I've got some sunscreen. I've got some face soap. I've got some Benadryl gel. I've got my Dawn dishwashing detergent. I added some foamy earplugs because there's birds and sleeping in the shelters. This is Tylenol, and these are melatonin. This is in the wrong place. This is my dental hygiene, so toothpicks, some, what is that, floss. I have, now they're a little dirty, I have some Q-tips, my bleach, eye drops. This has Imodium and Claritin, Benadryl. There's a couple of ibuprofen in there and some Pepto. And these are my contacts. And that is my toiletry bag. Okay, this is my cook kit. This and fuel, which is over on the couch. My bandana, the BRS and the lighter, my spoon, the lid, it has a sieve there. And this is new. I'm carrying this because I can put grits packets in it and hold it stable, or I can make hot chocolate in it if I need to cook something else. And then my cozy. So that's the cook kit. This is my food bag, and you can see that it's empty. Here's my string for hanging it, and the rock bag, and it has some electrolytes and some Mio in it, and it's pretty empty. But I love this because it zips. Here is the carabiner. I can carry it like that. It's made out of Dyneema. It's very light, and it will hold a solid week's worth of food. It doesn't look that big now, but it is pretty big. Here are my electronics. So I have my 20,000 milliamp ref power. I've got the charging block, my Garmin, a hard drive, my Apple Watch, my Claris, which is charged, my Claris headlamp, another charger, headphones, Bluetooth headphones, and the cables. And the cables go in this bag, and the block and the hard drive go in this bag. And those are my electronics. My Sea to Summit pillow is in here after my big one getting a hole in it. I am very much more careful with it. And actually, I have a little buff that goes over it because I don't blow it up all the way. That's my pillow. This is an addition. It is a bug net that will hang. Actually, I think there's pictures. Yeah. Hang it. And so I can cowboy camp. You can stake it down. I can use my backpack as kind of a frame for it above my head, behind my head, so that I can, like a bivvy. So that'll be good. And it'll be good if I'm in a shelter for mosquitoes, like not in a tent. This is my potty bag. So Bill sends me half rolls of toilet paper. I'm using Huggies wipes. Last time we used Pampers wipes. They were both really good, and they're like cloth and they hold up. You can take a bath with them. They're great. At Kroger, I got these. They were like $1. I love these hand sanitizer wipes. This time, I think it was at Walmart, I got these, so I will try them out, and my Deuce. And they go in this Ziploc bag, and that is my potty bag. Also, I have my pea-style funnel, which that is the most amazing thing, and my potty bag. I highly recommend this. Highly. I cannot recommend this enough. And it goes like this, and it goes in the side pocket of my bag, my backpack, and so it's very easy to get to. And this is amazing. It changed my life. Okay, so we're at Rockfish Outfitters. We're looking for like some tenacious tape or repair tape because I have a few little holes in the bottom of my pack, and David's with me. Boxcar is with me, and we're in the Outfitters. We might find something fabulous that I didn't know I needed. So, Boxcar is doing trail magic. So we're in the woods. He's left a cooler. So the trail comes right here. Trail magic. Upside down. Carrots, Gatorade, Dr. Pepper. Amazing. So that's the trail. Look at those azaleas. And that's the other side. He's adding little cuties. I want to eat one.
I got plenty.
Here. So much fun. But then the thing is that people put their orange peels everywhere. Oh,
Yeah, I know.
look.
Oh yeah. Beautiful.
Hello, dear. I haven't seen any little ones.
Wonder if they like cuties.
I don't know. What are you doing? What are you doing, Missy? Are you pregnant? Why are you in the middle of the day on the path? Hi, baby. I wanted to be the deer whisperer.
Yeah.
She's gonna go in the parking lot. Okay, deer.
He's focused.
The deer in the park are like brave.
No. I'm so curious what it's.
This.
Okay.
That is 19.4 miles ahead. We definitely are about. Oh my goodness.
Yesterday. Yeah.
The Cheez-Its coming into. Yeah.
What is your trail name?
Showtime.
You're Showtime. We were just talking to you. We were with Honey Badger.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
He's a little bit of a
Yeah.
above us, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, he passed here?
And you are?
Past us? I'm Sketchbook.
Sketchbook? I know all about you.
And I'm
Really?
side hustle.
Side hustle
Yeah, he
from
mentioned
Honey Badger.
Really?
And Boxcar is getting trail magic.
Actually,
Chips. So how's the trail today?
It's beautiful today.
good. It's
Beautiful.
Unbelievable. Yeah, it's so nice.
I've got blisters on my heels. But
Nice
I'm
and
trying
smooth,
to stay
too.
positive.
And nice and there are no rocks in Shenandoah, right? And the path is paved with Skittles and Reese's peanut butter cups, right?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Trail magic.
Hey!
That's Commandant Lassard, baby CO. This is Big Scott. Who are you?
I don't have a trail name yet.
I don't have a trail name yet. Is his trail name? No name, trail name.
We gotta make that happen. Like
Yeah.
tonight.
Trying.
And I'm Spun Candy.
Fun candy.
Nice
Yeah.
to meet you, Spun Candy. What's
We
your
got-
name?
This is Boxcar.
Boxcar. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Box.
And he's getting a lot of that from
YouTube.
YouTube. Yeah. There's one tangerine left.
Okay,
No,
there's
two.
one cutie
No,
left.
there's one there too.
One here. Is there people? Hi, hikers.
Hello.
Do you want some trail magic?
Some trail magic.
Yeah. Trail magic is oranges or a drink of water. What's in the cooler? We didn't look in the cooler.
I did.
Okay.
Wait, I'll show you. Hi. You want some?
No, we're good.
Okay. All right.
We do it for the through hikers.
Are you really?
Yeah, I'm a through hiker.
Are you really?
And I took the day off to do trail magic.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
Different people do that along the route?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No kidding. That's pretty nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. How nice. What was in the cooler? It was mostly
Saw some people earlier. And I thought the cooler was theirs. Not realizing that.
Ooh!
We
Oh my gosh, we had such a fun day and productive. I did the videos this morning, went out to the Skyline Drive, did trail magic, went shopping. I got some repair tear tape, which I was looking for tenacious tape, but tear aid, I think it's called, for the bottom of my pack because it's got tiny little holes in it from rocks and sand and grit and stuff. Not a whole lot, but I want to protect it. So I'm going to put some tape on the bottom. And talked to Bill, ate food, got my resupply box, figured out logistics. With Boxcar, he participated in that. And tomorrow, I'm going to hit the trail, 8 o'clock. Boxcar is going to come get me, and I'm going to slack back to the shelter. Not back to town, but forward. He's going to bring my pack forward down the trail for me. So it's wonderful. What a blessing he is. And his wife, and their support and enthusiasm and kindness and compassion for me. I'm just blown away by the wonderfulness. And yeah. And now I'm really tired and I'm going to go to sleep and get up early in the morning. Talk to you in the morning.